I told you that I'm leaving.
Let go.
Wow.
This one right here is dedicated to all my old.
I know you mad, but so what? Wished you best of luck, but now it's time to throw my deuces up.
Alright.
Whoa, all that bush for the birds. You ain't nothing but a hater. Always hoping for the worst, waiting for me to mess up. You'll regret the day when I find another girl, yeah, that know just what I need, and know just what I mean. When I tell her keep it drama free.
Alright.
Whoa, I'm on some news, I'm chucking my deuces up to her.
It don't matter
I'm
now.
moving on to something better.
I'm outta here.
No more trying to make it work. You made me wanna say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye to her. You made me wanna say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye to her.
Check it. My mama used to tell me everything you see ain't what it seems, and if you feel it's too good to be true, then that's just what it means. I shine less, and life is nothing but a dream, but it seems even in this dream, all I hear is what? Scream, Jody, what you doing? Where you been?
What you doing? Where you been?
I'm like getting money, fuck you mean?